Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's a part of my beauty crochet. Hey, we're back. This is gonna be a quick little video. I just wanted to show my progress of the scrap yarn beanie that I'm making. This is what I have so far. I'm just randomly choosing colors. I have a whole bunch of yarn in front of me. This is just some that I have in front of me. I'm literally just randomly choosing colors and I'm just connecting them and creating this beanie. I seen someone doing it and I was like, let me just give it a try. So yeah, I chained 59 and then I started doing double crochets all up. Let me count the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 rows so far. I measured my head just to get like a general of how many rows I would need or how long it has to be. It came up to about 28 inches. So I have almost 12 inches right here. So, and for 59 or 58 rows, it's about 18.5 inches. So if you want to use that to go by, then I wanted to give that to you guys as well. This is not really a tutorial. This is just me trying to be a helping hand, because I'm like, I know I don't really know, but if I can help someone else, then I can write this down and I can help them for later. So it is 18 inches, 18.5 inches long. And it's right now I have almost 11.5 inches, but I think I need to get it to about 28 inches. So I got a little bit more ways to go. Oh, that's my husband's feet. I'm like, what is that? But yeah, so this is looking like so far. I'm not gonna tuck in the strings because that's how the whole look is supposed to be. But what I've been doing, and I wanted to show you guys, I've just been trying to choose colors at random. I've been tying them. I've been literally tying them. And then I just pull some string out. Whether you want to pull out a long piece or a short piece, cut it. And then I pull some more string from somewhere else. Excuse me, I think I burped. Pull some string out. Cut that string. Then we're going to pull some more string. And that's literally what I've been doing, and just not tucking in my tied ends. That's what's giving it more of the distressed look. If anyone is wondering, pull some of that out. Boom. And then, yeah, take some from over here. Like I said, I have a lot of yarn in front of me. You guys can't see, but I have a lot of yarn in front of me, so that way I can just have ease of just pulling the yarn and tying it together. So yeah, and then I just move this on my way, and I just double crochet. That's literally all I've been doing. It's just double crocheting. And then when I get to the end, I chain one, turn my work. And I'm gonna show you guys. Almost to the end. And then I'm chaining one, turn my work, and keep going. And then that's what I do. And every time I get almost to the end of the last color, I just start adding more colors at random to the project. And that's how I'm gonna be doing mine. I thought, oh, I should do a tutorial, but I'm like, I don't think I really need a tutorial. It's very self-explanatory. I can give you the measurements and how many rows I've done so far, and then you guys can decide how much rows you need for your head or your customer's head. And I'm basically at the end of this gray. And I just completed another row, and now I'm starting another one. This is what it's looking like right here. I'm gonna take a thumbnail. And yep, this is what I have. So then you're gonna fold it over this way once you have it long enough. And then this would be folded like this. Or you can add ribbon to the bottom. And then you will scrunch up this at the top, and that will be your beanie. So yes, guys, let's count the rows that I have so far. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 rows at almost 12 inches. And we have to go to 28. So basically that's it. So once again, it was, what was it, 18 and a half across. And then I have probably about, 11 and a half inches. But being that I have half the other row, it's about 13 and a half inches. So basically that's it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a little informational about the scrap yarn beanie. I didn't want to do a tutorial. I will come back once I'm almost done and show you guys how I close it up, and I will be posting a short, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. This is Part of My Beauty TV, not TV, sorry, Part of My Beauty Crochet, and I'm out.